Welcome back again. In the previous lecture, you watched how to create a subdomain from your cPanel. Today, you are going to learn in a very important topic, that is how to install your WordPress from a subdomain. So let's get started. Already you can see I have logged in my cPanel, and now I'm going to create a subdomain, and from that subdomain I'm going to install WordPress. So let's create a subdomain first. So name a subdomain IT. Okay, just I have written it.shubirnokrek.net. Okay, it.shubirnokrek.net. Just create. So it's created already. It's created here. So just go to the cPanel and now go to the WordPress option. Just click and install, and here just select your subdomain from here below. Okay, again go there and it.shubirnokrek.net. Okay, well, you can change this site name my blog, then you can site description also change, but later also you can change it. But if you want to change now, here also now you can change IT service. We provide quality service. Well, if you want to change your admin username, you can change here, such as I am giving the admin name IT Zone. Okay, so just together you need to do this IT Zone, and I am going to write password as I246810. Okay, then 12, this is good password. Then 14, this is a strong password, so you need to give a strong password. Okay, so admin username is IT June and the password is I2468101214. Okay, so now if you want to upgrade and if you want to update this while the update is available, then you need to go to this section. You need to go to also advanced sections here. So this here is update available. Then here already we can see database name is created. So later we'll understand about what is database and how we can create database. So just we are doing nothing, and we can choose here any theme, but we don't need to choose also a theme because 4 default themes are available in WordPress. Anyway, just click here install. Just wait a moment. Well, we can see that WordPress is installed here very easily. So here our website is it.shubirnokrek.net with subdomain. So just click here and we can see a simple WordPress website is done already. Okay, so how you can change this and customize this? The WordPress dashboard is here. Okay, so just click here and this is the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so if you just log out, just go there and log out. Okay, from here just log out, and if you want to log in, just write here IT Zone and password is capital I, then 24681012 and 14. Just log in. So this is the way you can log in a WordPress website. So that's all about today. Thank you for watching and thank you for learning. See you in the next lecture. Up to now, stay fine. Thank you very much.